So here is the first hands-on exercise to create this guy right here. And the way I did that, all these can be found in 035 position, 05 hands-on exercises, 02 solutions, and now we're in 01 fixed. So I just put in a footer tag right there. And then my footer, I did position fixed, bottom 0, right? So bottom 0, that's it. Top, right, bottom, left. Those are the ones you could do. Bam, put it on the bottom. I gave it a width of 100%, a height of 40 pixels, a border of red, and a background color of tomato. That's pretty cool. And so that resulted in this right here. And I needed the reset. So I just did it the old-fashioned way, or this way. I just imported the McLeod reset, which we learned about many lectures ago. All right, so for the second one, we had to do this. And that was pretty much just straight like in lecture. I couldn't think of anything else I wanted to do with position relative. So that we've pretty much seen before. And position relative, top 20, left 40. The rest is formatting. The next one we did was position absolute. And again, very similar to what we saw in lecture. So this is absolute. It's going to look up the DOM until it finds another element that has some sort of position property set. It finds one right here because this one has position relative. So this one will position itself absolute in relationship to this one, and it'll come off of this one from its top 120, from its right 20. From its top 120, and from its right 20. So that's that one, and the rest is formatting. And then the last one is very similar to the taco, and there it is. So that's that one. But it's just not as formatted quite as intricately. So we have a body with two divs, one's left, one's right. So the body, I did position relative on the body, which tells me I'm probably going to have some position absolute coming on. And left, I did position absolute, and I did not set top, left, or anything like that because those are all set to 0 by default. And I gave it a width of 200 pixels, a height of 4, and formatting. And I did margin left of 200 on the right. So just, set this width to 200 and gave it space because position absolute takes it out of the normal document flow. All right, so those are my solutions to the hands-on exercises. And hopefully, you did them. Come on now. And doing the hands-on exercises, is important, obviously. Seemed like there's something else I wanted to say about that. Yeah, just working it and occasionally struggling because, this is what I want to say. What's surprising is like you think, I got it, and then you go do it and you're like, I don't got it. And it makes you work a little bit, but that's what makes you learn when you actually start using it. All right, so I think that's it for position. We had our hands-on exercises and our solutions. And in the next video, we'll review this just to cement into our heads using good research-proven learning methodologies to help you retain, not only understand like when you watch it, but to retain this knowledge. So the reviews are important. I know it might be easy to be like, yeah, okay, we just did it. But the review is going to help cement it in there too. So that's why I include this stuff. So it's beneficial for you. The craft of teaching has tools, techniques, elements that we work with to make sure we put together good teachings and help the students in the best way possible. So that review is coming up next. How much can I ramble? How much? I could probably ramble a lot, but I'll stop now.